Hello everyone, this is Sarah, your SPSS mentor, and I welcome you again to my channel. I hope you're doing great. In the previous video, we have learned how to code a questionnaire in SPSS, and the next step is to enter the questionnaire data in SPSS, which I am going to show in this video. In the last video, I created this file in front of you where I entered my questionnaire, and I'll be using the same file in this video. So I have three filled questionnaires, and the response one you can see on my right side of the screen, and SPSS window on the left side of my screen. I will switch to data view as we have to enter our data in the data view, which is like a spreadsheet. As you can see, my first respondent is a male. The age is between 18 to 21 years old, and education level is undergraduate student. For the satisfaction of life, SWL1 is marked as 7, SWL2 as 5, SWL3 as 6, SWL4 again as 6, and LWL5 as 5. So I'll be entering this response to my SPSS. In gender, I will type 1, which is for male, age 1, which is for 18 to 21 years old, education 1, which is undergraduate student. SWL1, it's 7, for 2 it's 5, SWL3 is 6, SWL4 again 6, and SWL5 is 5. So I have recorded the first response to my SPSS. I have another response. The respondent is a female. In the second response, my respondent is a female, so I'll type 2. The age is 30 years or above, I'll type 4. Education level is PhD student, I will type 3. For SWL1, it's 5. SWL2 is 4. SWL3 is 6. SWL4 is 7. And SWL5 is 6. I have another response, respondent number 3. She is a female. The age is between 22 to 25 years old. Option will be 2. Education level is graduate student, so 2. For SWL 1, it's a 6. For 2, it's a 6 again. For 3, again, it is 6. For SWL 4, it is 5. And for SWL 5, it is 7, which is strongly agree. This is how we record a manual questionnaire to SPSS. I hope you have now learned creating a data file from responses gathered from questionnaires to SPSS. One thing that is important to do before any kind of analysis on this file, I have to assign a unique ID to each respondent, because when I have the questionnaire in the form of a physical paper or a hard copy, or I say I have gathered my data from people by hand, then there is a need to keep a record of each individual survey with a number. So I will give IDs to each response, for which I will have to create a new variable. I will right click on gender, click on insert variable. So the SPSS has created a variable for me, which is VAR 0002. I will go to the variable view, click here and type ID. This will be my respondent ID. For respondent 1, I will type 101. For 2, my ID will be 102. And for the third record, my ID will be 103. It is necessary so that you can differentiate between all the records. One last thing which I am going to show you in this video is how to use value labels. This is the value label button. If I click on it, you can see that I can see the actual values which are in the form of strings for each respondent or each value. For example, previously it was 1 for male and 2 for female, but now I can see what my labels actually mean. Similarly, if I turn this button off, it converts my data again to numeric view. That's all for this video. I hope you like it and this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and keep watching. See you in the next video for something new. Stay tuned and take care. Bye bye.